Everyone wants massive sound in a tiny speaker. And in 2025, one portable Bluetooth speaker is absolutely dominating in bass, clarity, battery, and build. No fluff, no guesswork. Let's break down the real king of portable audio. It's not just loud. It's clean. Volume is cheap. Every brand can blast 90 decibels. What separates the best? Clarity under pressure. The top speaker of 2025 handles high volumes with zero distortion, keeping vocals crisp, bass tight, and details alive, even outdoors. No muddiness. No blown-out highs. Just pure, balanced sound. Battery life that won't quit. 12 hours used to be impressive. Now, the best portable speaker of 2025 gives you up to 24 hours on a single charge. Real-world usage, with bass-heavy tracks, at 60 to 70% volume. Enough for a full-day road trip, a weekend at the cabin, or 2 beach days without a charger in sight. Shockproof. Splashproof. Travel-ready. IP67 rated. That means dust-tight, waterproof, and built to survive drops, sand, rain, and rough travel. Throw it in your backpack. Hang it from your bike. Wherever you go, it follows without fear. Bass you can feel, not just hear. The top portable speaker now packs passive radiators and custom EQ tuning that bring out real low-end. We're talking chest-thumping bass in a palm-sized shell, no subwoofer needed. You'll hear the difference the second you hit play. So what's the winner? JBL Charge 6. It's the evolution of a legend. Bigger sound than ever. Longer battery. USB-C reverse charging. Bluetooth 5.3 with multi-point pairing. And it doubles as a power bank. In short, the JBL Charge 6 is the best portable Bluetooth speaker of 2025, period. Final verdict. If you want portability without compromise, if you want battery life that outlasts your playlist, and if you want a speaker that sounds way bigger than it looks, there's no need to overthink it. The JBL Charge 6 is the only answer right now. And unless something truly game-changing drops this year, it's staying on top.